Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine Safemoon on any computer or laptop or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. For mining Safemoon you need a good hardware components, good internet connection. If you are having a gaming computer, so you can mine more Safemoon or more cryptocurrency using this method, which I'm going to explain you step by step through this video. So for mining Safemoon, I will open the browser here. Before jumping to the mining process, here navigate to IntoCrypto and check out the videos about mining different coins and tokens. And here is the videos about Binance tutorial. If you want, you can check IntoCrypto. If we navigate to the CoinMarketCap is a place where you can check the cryptocurrencies, tokens, coins, prices on the this platform. So here is the Safemoon. If we navigate, Safemoon just pumped all the time high was 0.40, and you can see there is the price just crashed, and here is now you can see there is 50. So having the contracts with the Ethereum with the Binance Smart Chain, you can check the coin market cap 1 billion, just close to 1 billion. Here is the fully diluted market cap. Here is the volume, 24-hour volume. So each and everything you can check on the coin market cap. So for mining Safemoon, you can open a new tab and type unmineable.com. Once this window open, here as you can see unmineable.com, you can check the it hash. There is Phonex miner, LOL miner, NB miner, T-Rex. So for the checking the Safemoon, you can click on this logo and check this. You can see Safemoon is newly added to this part. So for this purpose, here stay till the end of video that how to mine Safemoon on your computer or laptop. Simply I will minimize the browser and create a new folder, and here I will type Safemoon. Once the folder created, click on the Windows security and click on the virus and threat protection. Now scroll down, click on the manage settings. Here click on add or remove exclusion, select and add an exclusion, click the folder. Here select the desktop, and here is the Safemoon, select the folder. You can see Safemoon is now added to this part. So the Windows security or other antivirus that you are currently running on your Windows operating system automatically will delete the third-party software, like there is the miner or there is the unmineable miner or any other miner. So because the miner are a threat or harmful for the Windows security, automatically it will delete the software. So in this case I will go back to the browser. Here click on the download, right click on this. You can simply save directly to the folder, and here I will download with the IDM download manager. Click on this three dot and select the desktop, select the Safemoon folder and click on save and start download. So as I have already downloaded, so there is no need to download the unmineable miner. So I will minimize this, go back to the miner folder. Here I will copy this and paste it to the Safemoon folder. So paste it here and right click on this and extract the file. Here the unmineable miner is extracted. Double click to launch the software. Once the software open, here as you can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue. The thing, one of the best feature that unmineable miner is having, that you can mine, you have two categories. There is the CPU and GPU. You can mine the coins, different cryptocurrency using this miner with the GPU and your CPU. So I recommend you, if your computer, if you are using gaming computer, so if your laptop is having graphic card, so I recommend you to use your GPU. Sometimes it can be more powerful to damage your hardware components. Like people are mining, during mining, the miners damage their hardware or their laptop. So there is the graphic card, you can select this. So I will select the CPU. Here click on the next option, select click on this and select the Safemoon. Now you have to enter your address. So here go back to the Trust Wallet. Here's the Trust Wallet. If you don't know how to install and how to download or install Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system, I will provide you the link in the below down description how to download and install the Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system. So here is the Safemoon. I will copy the address, minimize this and paste it here. So the SafeMoon wallet address on the trust wallet I have successfully copied and pasted to the unmineable miner. So click on the start button to start mining SafeMoon. Here is you can see last 24-hour reward. There is the total paid. There is the lost payment. Here is the payouts from this much SafeMoon. Once you have completed, then you can cash out. You can transfer it to your wallet. So for bringing changes to the setting, click on the advanced setting option. Here you can select your mining intensity. You can select the high. You can set a custom setting. So in this case the low is better for me. So this also this an example video that you can use this method to mine SafeMoon token. So here is the you can set a custom referral link, you can set a custom worker name. So if you want to bring changes, simply click on save and start. So right now I don't want to bring any changes, simply I will click on the close. Here it starts mining. The hash rate is above 600 and 600 per second is giving me. So for checking the status of mining, click on the status option to open the unmineable.com window. Once this window open, you can check the box auto pay every 12 hours. Here is the workers, here is the payments, the referral code, and here is the status. Status is a category which you can check the status of mining and balance, referral code, rewards, and there is the payment, the date, payment threshold, and current mining fee. So guys, this is the way how you can mine SafeMoon token on your Windows or any computer or laptop or any gaming PC. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.